What is up, you guys? It's your boy TeMperZ, and today we are going to be going into search and destroy lobbies, eating chips. We're going to be basically doing a chip trolling lobby. This has been inspired by BCC, I think, trolling, and so big shout out to him. And Captain turned on your TV or something like that, so I don't have to hear an echo. So here I got my big bowl of chips, and I got some soda, just so I can go like this whenever I feel like it. Just go. So yeah. Let's go into a search lobby. Hi with the Indian music. Hey, Captain, we're going to leave this lobby. Sean, we're going to leave.
What?
We're going to leave. There's no mics in here. Bust. Oh, there you are.
First lobby didn't go well. Right.
Nope, it didn't. Alright, round, attempt number 2. I don't want to say round, that's stupid. We'll find no one in a fucking lobby. But okay. I muted him. I like pussy. Just the amped out audio part. I like pussy.
I got something for that. What it is. Just call me clear. Yeah, maybe I did. Maybe I am. Dude, I am crazy hungry. You got a fridge? Could you not do that like right in the mic? Eating your chips. Make me more
Mate, could you fucking not, yeah?
Because once again, I just muted everybody on the team. I don't think we're getting too many reactions apart from me doing a really bad Scottish accent. It's up to you if you want to do it.
Leave! My mouth is gonna get tired. There's just so many fucking chips in my goddamn mouth. My mouth feels all salty inside. Now we wait.
Hi,
What the fuck are you watching? Punch?
No. I was watching some mice. Hell on Snapchat.
Is it good? Moist.
I'm eating that chip so slowly. I fucking can't.
I don't know why, but that word just flew across my head. I was like,
You went moist. Zen Vortex invited me to a party.
I hit
I can't. I can't. I'm gonna run out of chips over. I'm gonna run out. My mouth. I feel like to throw up, bro. My mouth is so dry. Oh my god.
You have a beautiful mic, sir.
This fucking chips. I'm gonna hate chips for the rest of my fucking life now. There's just so many.
Stop listening. Cortana, go away.
More chips.
Sir.
Why is there no one with mics?
I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'm gonna go get a thing of water. I'm gonna drink it, and I'm gonna come back with just a straw and just a little bit left. I'm gonna go. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Well, this is the time to play the Merc music, and we start speeding up the time. Yay, water.
Oh, yeah, well, I gotta just drink a little.
Oh my god, that's perfect.
Back out!
I can't breathe! I'm choking on chips right now!
Dude, I was laughing as I was blowing into the
I know, I heard it!
Yeah, just imagine if I can do that and keep a straight face. Just do this.
Oh yeah.
My controller.
Guarantee you share this.
My mouth hurts!
I almost kept this chicken face. Bro, I couldn't help myself, dude. I drank it on accident and I just went.
Captain. Uh oh. Sean.
That is horse shit. You know, I just need a drink. I'm so stressed.
He's right in front of me.
Yo, you guys want some water? Actually, I think it's chocolate
asshole, you
milk, but
could've saved
whatever.
me.
There's no way. Wait, shut up. Let me drink my water, you slut.
Shut up and let me drink my water, you.
What'd you say?
What?
I think I was just in the lobby with y'all the other day with Faith Carl.
Yesterday, yeah.
I think you might be right.
Come on, Captain. Oh! Oh, oh, oh!
How fucking dare you, mate?
Oh god! Fuck me.
Do they have anything to send the other teams?
Yo, that was nice. That was fucking nice.
Guys, welcome back to my ASMR session. Today we're gonna be blowing bubbles.
Yo, that was fucking
Yo, you made me burp with the soda coming back up. Dude, do you know how uncomfortable that just felt in my throat? So, hopefully you guys did enjoy. So, guys, go subscribe to Captyon. I thank him so much for doing this with me. So yeah, you know, guys, if I have anything fun to do or like a video idea, of course I'm gonna have Captain in it because you know he deserves to be in it because you know he's a great guy and he edits my videos and everything. And I wouldn't really be where I am right now without him. But
My videos aren't active, so I'm just yeah.
well, but anyway, guys, that is it for me.
Turn
I
on
hope
that
you guys
notification.
all enjoyed. Turn on that goddamn notification button so you hear that fucking bell sound every time I fucking upload. With your ringtones on, and you go.
For both of us.
For both of us. Dude, my throat is actually killing me. I'm gonna need to go to the doctor. But anyway, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. I love you to death, and see you later. Bye bye.